Hey everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. Today, I have with me L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. I'm sure all of you have seen it a bazillion times over the internet because everyone seems to be talking about it. And you see, I have this with me since March. I think 6 months is a good enough time for anyone rather, to know a product. Was launched in 3 sizes, right? The one which retails for around 250 rupees, that is like an extremely tiny bottle. So I did not think that it would be wise to purchase that one. This is the one that I purchased. This is the 65 ml product. I use it every single day, and you can see that there's still quite a way to go, and I think this will last me easily for another 2 months. Now, what I feel about it is, first of all, maybe brightening effect is something that sells, and that is why they have marketed the product like this. But to tell you the truth, the reviews that I've seen for the essence, they mainly talk about that whether it is giving you a glow or not. Okay, so let's test the glow. I just came right out of shower. Okay, this is the first step that I do in my skincare every single day, and why that is, I'll tell you that in a minute. So what I do is I take like 3 drops on my palm like this, and I simply apply it over my cheek area. Now why I do that is because I suffer from melia or the whiteheads. You can see for yourself if there is a difference in glow before and after applying the product. Right now, when I had started to use it, I was using it right after my toner. How we're supposed to apply our skincare products is that has the tiniest structure, molecular structure, that goes first, and the heavier products go on top. This is a micro essence. So first of all, I tried to check the size of the molecules, and I could not find any results. So since I was not seeing much of a difference if I was applying it post my toner, so I decided to change. So I was looking for some skincare product that had salicylic acid in them, and I believe this is one of the first products in India that is fit for everyday use, considering so L'Oreal claims that the quantity of or the percentage of salicylic acid in it is very low, and I think I'll kind of have to agree with them there, because if the percentage would have been higher, if the concentration would have been higher, it would have definitely caused a breakout. Now salicylic acid, what it does is glycolic acid, which is an AHA, it exfoliates the top layer of your skin. Now salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. Now what it does is it penetrates deeper in your skin, and that's why it is able to cleanse your pores as well. So if you're cleansing your pores like a lot or very frequently, so the skin as a coping mechanism, the breakout is going to happen for sure, right? So that has not happened, and like I said, I've been using it from the past 6 months. So yeah, that is one good aspect. Since during the rainy season, the humidity is at an all-time high in North India. So if I compare my skin or the melia present on my skin this year versus the previous years, there's definitely a huge improvement, and I think I'll have to owe it to both my toner as well as this essence in helping me out to achieve the same. If you're someone who's only looking for the enhanced radiance in your skin, that's not going to happen, because there is only one thing that can help you achieve it, and that's good food, good diet, good exercise, including green juices in your diet, that's something that can give you that glow, but please do not expect that from some liquid in a bottle. So having said that, I'm not saying that it does not give you like a mild radiance. It does, but it's so mild that it might not be noticeable to anyone except for you. Okay, so who should get it? Anyone whose skin is susceptible to getting whiteheads and blackheads should definitely give this a try. If you are dealing with uneven skin tone, so salicylic acid does help with that. So yeah, you can definitely go for this.